friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss all the questions of Transfer Property Act from the year 2002 to 2022. मतलब पास 20 साल के पेपर जितने हमने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं ऑलरेडी, और उसमें से हम अभी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियो बना रहे हैं. तो आज की वीडियो में हम ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन दिस चैनल, आई वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड कि आप जो है इस चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू इन प्रिपरेशन फॉर जुडिशरी एंड अदर लीगल एग्जाम्स. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just click the like button over there and appreciate this with your friends so that they can come to know about this channel as well. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हों तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. Next 165, a right to sue for damages is not an actionable claim. B is the answer. Next 166, the doctrine of part performance is given in section 53A is statutory right है, no, equitable right है, and available in defense. 2 and 3 इसका आंसर रहेगा. D is the answer. Next 167, assertion है property is comprehensive term and includes copyright. ये ट्रू है. ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट डील्स विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इंक्लूडिंग पेटेंट्स. नो, ये गलत है. ओनली इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी के लिए है. आईपीआर के लिए क्या है? आईपीआर, पेटेंट एक्ट, कॉपीराइट एक्ट. तो ए इज ट्रू, आर इज फॉल्स, इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 168, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन आर करेक्टली मैच्ड? मीन प्रॉफिट एक्शनेबल क्लेम? नो, इट इज नॉट एक्शनेबल क्लेम. क्लेम ऑफ मुस्लिम वाइफ अनपेड ओवर, ये है. सिक्योर डेट है. प्रॉफिट अंडर सेल ऑफ गुड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ये है. तो 2, 3, 4 आर देयर. ए इज द आंसर. ट्रांसफर ऑफ एक्शनेबल क्लेम कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 130 टीपीए में. नेक्स्ट 169, रेमेडी ऑफ फोरक्लोजर इज अवेलेबल इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मॉर्गेजेस? ओनली इन कंडीशनल सेल एंड एनोमलस. तो सी इसका आंसर रहेगा. फोरक्लोजर कहाँ पर है? 67 टीपीए. नेक्स्ट 170, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एसेंशियल एलिमेंट ऑफ सेल? पार्टीज होना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट मैटर, ट्रांसफर और कन्वेंस. पेमेंट ऑफ प्राइस इन कैश, कैश की जरूरत नहीं है. डी इज द आंसर. सेल के लिए कहाँ मेंशन किया गया? सेक्शन 54 टीपीए. नेक्स्ट 171, रूल अगेंस्ट डबल पॉसिबिलिटीज वाज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस? दैट वाज विटफी वर्सेस मिचेल. बी इज द आंसर. Next 172, which one of the following section of TP Act deals with doctrine substitute securities? That is section 73. D is the answer. Next 173, which is correct answer in the following? Section 60 of TP Act is enforceable on mortgage decrees. फिर है sale or purchase agreement are saleable property and liable for attachment. Sale और purchase agreement कैसे liable होंगे? No. Hereditary profession is liable for attachment. No. Motor pump which is used in irrigation. No. आंसर क्या रहेगा? A. Next 174, राम कुमार कुंडू वर्सेस मैक्वीन इज केस रिलेटेड टू ऑब्स्टेंसिबल ऑनर. इज द आंसर. सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? 41. Next 175, the principle of maxim nemo that quod non habet is incorporated in which of the following sections? That is 41, 42, 43, 44. A is the answer. Next 176, doctrine of marshalling has been provided in which of the following section of TP Act? 56 and 81. A is the answer. Next 177, section 58A of TP Act defines mortgage, mortgager, mortgagee, and mortgage money and mortgage deed. All of these. C is the answer. Next 72, Cooper versus Cooper leads to doctrine of election. B is the answer. Next 73, the doctrine of lis pendens is based on principle of public policy. A is the answer. Next 74, which of not specifically mentioned as a kind of mortgage? mortgage कहाँ डिफाइन किया गया? सेक्शन 58A में. देखिए, इक्विटेबल मॉर्गेज है वो स्पेसिफिकली डिफाइन नहीं किया गया है, बट मॉर्गेज बाय डिपॉजिट टाइटल डीड उसी को जो है इक्विटेबल मॉर्गेज बोलते हैं, जो कि डिफाइन किया गया है 58F में. एनोमलस है G में, इंग्लिश है E में. ठीक है, तो इसमें कौन सा नहीं हुआ फिर? इक्विटेबल मॉर्गेज, ए इज द आंसर, बट इट हैज सेम मीनिंग एज सी। नेक्स्ट 75, व्हाट कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड अंडर टीपीए एंड ईजमेंट अलॉन्ग विद डोमिनेंट हेरिटेज? यस, ट्रांसफर हो सकता है। पॉलिटिकल पेंशन नो, स्पेस सक्सेशनिस्ट नो, स्टाइपेंड नो, तो ए इज द आंसर। Next 76, in which of the section of TPA doctrine of consolidation is incorporated? Doctrine of consolidation is in section 61, B is the answer. Next 77, concept of onerous gift is embodied in which section of TPA? Onerous gift is provided in section 127, B is the answer. 128 में क्या है? यूनिवर्सल डोनी। 129 में क्या है? डोनेशन मोटिस कोजा एंड मोहम्मदन लॉ गिफ्ट। Next 78, duration of agricultural lease in absence of written contract or local usage under section 106 TPA shall be deemed to be a lease of year to year, C is the answer. Next 78, state the correct answer. The familiar rule redeem up foreclosure down is combination of provision 91 and 94, D is the answer. Next 80, A gives ₹500 to B on a condition that B shall marry A's daughter G. On the date of transfer, G was dead. The transfer is void under which of the following section of TPA? Section 25, A is the answer. Next 81, a right to future maintenance in whatsoever manner arising, secured or determined, can be transferred or cannot be transferred? Cannot be transferred, B is the answer. Next 82, the gift of future property is void, C is the answer. 122 provides that. Next 83, within the meaning of provision of section 67 of TPA, the mortgage redeems by suit are for foreclosure, sale, appointment of receiver, all of the above. For foreclosure, A is the answer. Next 84, to which of the following section 5 to 37 of TPA apply? To transfer of property whether movable या फिर immovable दोनों पे होता है, C is the answer. Next 85, A transfer will be 5,000 to B on a condition that he shall execute a certain lease within 3 months after A's death, and if he should neglect do so to C, B dies in A's lifetime. तो क्या हो गया? डिसाइडिंग लीगल राइट। सेक्शन कौन सा लगेगा इसमें? सेक्शन लगेगा 27, D is the answer. Next 86, assertion है section 14 of TPA provides for the rule against perpetuity. The rule is based on public policy. Yes, both are true and correct explanation. A is the answer. Next 86, which of the following is not an actionable claim? तो शेयर इन पार्टनरशिप ये है, रिटर्न ऑफ अर्नेस्ट मनी है, अरियर्स ऑफ रेंट ये भी है, कॉपीराइट ये नहीं है एक्शनेबल क्लेम, डी इसका आंसर रहेगा। ट्रांसफर ऑफ एक्शनेबल क्लेम का मेंशन किया गया सेक्शन 130 टीपीए में। नेक्स्ट 87, हु इज नॉट कॉम्पिटेंट टू ट्रांसफर इज प्रॉपर्टी अंडर टीपीए? ब्लाइंड कर देगा, लैम कर देगा, हर्मिट कर देगा, माइनर नहीं कर सकता, सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 88, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन डील्स विद रूल्स अगेंस्ट परपेचुइटी? सेक्शन 14, बी इज द आंसर। Next 89, which one of the following section of TPA defines charge? Charge is in section 100. A is the answer. Next 90, section 53A of TPA deals with doctrine of part performance. D is the answer. Dependence कहाँ पर है? Section 52. Doctrine of frustration is 56. Contract Act. Doctrine of severability, that is in Constitution and other acts as well. Next 91, which of the following section of TPA deals with universal downy? Universal downy is in section 128. C is the answer. Next is 92, which one of the following is not transferred by an act of parties under TPA? That is succession. वो अपने आप मिल जाएगा, ट्रांसफर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बाकी तीनों जो है करने पड़ते हैं। मॉर्गेज का प्रोवाइड किया गया सेक्शन 58 TPA, सेल 54, गिफ्ट 122, ए इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 93, point out the correct answer. Under TPA, the salary of public officer can be transferred. No, cannot be transferred. B is the answer. Section 6 provides the same. Next 94, the term sale in TPA has been defined under section 54. देखो ये बताया था, ये पूछ भी लिया, B इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 95. Which one of the following provision of TPA provides the statutory duties of a mortgagee in possession? That is section 76. A is the answer. Next 96. The provision of 106 TPA were substituted by the TPA amendment. कौन सी amendment थी? And this provision came into force on, देखिए जो amendment थी ये TPA की, this was Act of 2003 और came into force हुआ था 31 दिसंबर 2002 से. A is the answer. थोड़ा सा एक क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर नहीं है. Next 97. Condition restraining alienation of property is given under section 10 TPA. B is the answer. Next 98. A sells his agricultural land to B with the condition that B can cultivate only wheat but cannot grow the crops of paddy. The condition is void but transfer is valid. तो दोनों हो गए, both B and C. D is the answer. Next 90. Lease under 105 relates to lease of immovable property. A is the answer. Next 100. Which one of the following section of TPA is concerned with doctrine of marshalling? Marshalling कितने में है? 56 में. 20 का आंसर रहेगा. Next 101. Which of the following is not a movable property in TPA? Standing timber ये movable है. Fruit bearing tree ये immovable है. Growing crops movable है. तो राइट टू टेक फिशरीज फ्रॉम लेक क्या है? ये मूवेबल है. ग्रोइंग क्रॉप मूवेबल है. तो बच क्या गया? फ्रूट बियरिंग ट्री पूछा. देखिए फ्रूट बियरिंग ट्रीज हैं ये, मतलब वो अटैच रहेंगे, उनको अलग नहीं करेंगे. तो 20 का आंसर हो गया. नॉट अ मूवेबल मतलब पूछ रहे हैं इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. सेक्शन 3 TPA इंटरप्रिटेशन प्रोवाइड्स द सेम. नेक्स्ट 102. डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सब्रोगेशन अप्लाइज टू मॉर्टगेज. बी इज द आंसर. और एक सेक्शन कौन सा है? सेक्शन है ये 92 TPA. Next 103. Onerous gift under TPA defined under section 127. C is the answer. Next 104. In case of a gift, if donee dies before the acceptance of gift is void. Section 122 provides the same. The doctrine of nemo that acquired non-habit. कहाँ पर मेंशन है ये? आर्टिकल 41, 42, 43, 44. A is the answer. Next 106. Which of the following is not actionable claim? Right to claim money payable under insurance act ये तो हो जाएगा. डिक्रिटल सम ये नहीं होता है. अरियर्स ऑफ रेंट हो जाएगा, अरियर्स ऑफ मेंटेनेंस हो जाएगा. ये क्वेश्चन पहले ही पूछ लिया था, अभी दोबारा पूछ लिया है यहाँ पर. तो 20 का आंसर रहेगा. ट्रांसफर ऑफ एक्शनेबल क्लेम कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 130 TPA में. नेक्स्ट 107. द डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस डज नॉट अप्लाई टू ओरल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर. द सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज ग्रास मतलब मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, तो डी इसका आंसर रहेगा, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट 108. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्रांसफर कैन बी मेड ओरली? लीज फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर नो. मोर देन ईयर जो भी होगा रजिस्टर कराना पड़ेगा. सरेंडर ऑफ लीज तो कर सकते हैं ओरली. एक्सचेंज ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी एक्सीडिंग 100 नहीं होगा, 100 से लेस है तो राइटिंग जरूरी नहीं है. सिंपल मॉर्गेज भी नहीं कर सकते. तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? सरेंडर ऑफ लीज. बी इज द आंसर. सरेंडर ऑफ लीज जो है कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया है? ये प्रोवाइड किया डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ लीज में. सेक्शन है 111, वहीं पे लिखा हुआ. सरेंडर भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट 109. व्हेन डज एन अनबोर्न पर्सन acquires vested interest? as soon as he is born. D is the answer. सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? सेक्शन है 20. नेक्स्ट 110. A lease of immovable property from month to month is terminable on the part of lessor by. देखिए मंथ टू मंथ है तो 15 डेज नोटिस देके इसको टर्मिनेट कर सकते हैं. सी इसका आंसर रहेगा. सेक्शन कौन सा है? 106. Next 128. Rule against perpetuity will not be applicable in perpetual transfer of gift, personal contracts, vested interest, all of them. D is the answer. Next 129. Under the provision of TPA, the unborn child acquires vested interest upon his birth. A is the answer. Section कौन सा है? Section है 13 and 20. Next 130. The Privy Council decision on Tilak Dhailal versus Khadin Lal relates to Section 3 TPA. A is the answer. नेक्स्ट 131. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ओरल ट्रांसफर 9 में है. रूल अगेंस्ट परपेचुइटी 14 में है. डॉक्टर इलेक्शन 41 है. ट्रांसफर बाय ऑस्टेंसिबल ओनर 41 है ये. तो डी रॉन्ग हो गया. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 132. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन ऑफ टीपी रिलेट्स टू यूसुफैक्चरी मॉर्गेज। 58A क्या है, मॉर्गेज की डेफिनेशन है। बी में क्या है, सिंपल मॉर्गेज। डी में क्या है, यूसुफैक्चरी। ई में क्या है, इंग्लिश मॉर्गेज। तो आंसर क्या हो गया फिर, डी। 58D, सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 133, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस डज नॉट परटेन टू डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस। तो आरिफ वाला है, प्रबोध वाला है, गोविंद राव वाला है, राम भरण प्रसाद वैसे राम मोहित हजरा नहीं है। डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 134, विच प्रोविजन ऑफ टीपीए डिफाइंस लीज। दैट इज सेक्शन 105। ए इज द आंसर। Next 135, the provision of fraudulent transfer is given under section 53 TPA. D is the answer. Next 136, the gift of future property is void. A is the answer. 122 section talks about gift. Next 137, which section of TPA was amended in year 2002? That was 106. A is the answer. बहुत ही common question है, repeated question है, बहुत ही बार पूछ लिया ये। Next 138, the rule of lis pendens applies when a pseudo proceeding in which right to immutable property is pending between two persons and one of them sells the property. Yes, B is the answer. Next 139, TPA came into force on 1st July 1882. A is the answer. Next 140, in the TPA immutable property does not include building है, land है, pond है, standing timber नहीं होता. D is the answer. Section 3 mentions about that. Next 141, which of the following properties cannot be transferred? Share in copyright हो जाएगा, mortgage property हो जाएगा, right to future maintenance नहीं हो सकता. C is the answer. Next 142, which of the following section of TPA deals with effect of holding over a lease? That is section 116. D is the answer. Next 143, in which of the following condition the lease can be terminated? Effects of time, termination of lessors interest, power on merger, all of the above. D is the answer. कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया, सेक्शन 111 of TPA. Next 144, doctrinal dependence is explained in which famous case? Bellamy versus Sabine. A is the answer. Next 145, transfer of right to enjoy movable property for a certain time is lease. ये ट्रांसफर हुआ ना राइट टू एंजॉय का, इट इज लीज. डी इज द आंसर. लीज कहाँ डिफाइन है, सेक्शन 105. Next 146, in case of gift donor dies before acceptance, then the gift is void. C is the answer. Section 122. Next 147, mortgagor's right to redeem the mortgage property accrues at time after the mortgage money has become due. Mortgage money due होगा तभी तो. B is the answer. Next 148, which one of the following mortgage does not require writing and registration? Deposit of title deed. D is the answer. Section 58 talks about that. 58A में क्या मॉर्गेज की डेफिनेशन है, मॉर्गेज लिखे हुए हैं. सिंपल बी है, इंग्लिश ई है, स्ट्रक्चर डी है, एंड दिस इज एफ. नेक्स्ट 149, which of the following is included in the term living person in section 5? Company, association, body of individual, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 150, section 11 of TPA will applicable only when interest transferred in the property is absolute. B is the answer. Next 127, a mortgage by deposit title deed is called as equitable mortgage. C is the answer. And mortgage definition कितने में है, 58 में. English mortgage in 58E, usufructuary D, title deed वाला है ये F, equitable means F में ही है, anomalous G. Next 128, which is not covered by term transfer of property, gift, family settlement, exchange, family settlement. C is the answer. Next 129, TPA was enacted in year 1882. B is the answer. Next 130, which section of TPA owner's gift is provided? 127. A is the answer. Next 131, under TPA gift of future property is void. C is the answer. Next 132, under which section of TPA fraudulent transfer is defined? 53. C is the answer. 35 में क्या है, doctrine of election. 41 क्या है, seal by ostensible owner. Next 133. By which of the following means transfer of actionable claim may be made? By instrument in writing and signed by the transferor. C is the answer mentioned in section 130 TPA. Next 134. Bellamy versus Sabine is a case at which doctrine of lis pendens. C is the answer. Next 135. Which of the following interest is not transferable? That is spes accessionis. B is the answer. Next 136. An universal donee is liable to the creditors for donor. The liability of donee is to the extent of value gift property in hand. B is the answer. Next 137. Which of the following section of TPA contain exception to maxim nemo that quod non habet? That is 41 43. C is the answer. Next 138. Which section was amended by TPA 2002? That was section 106. रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है सारे, जितने भी क्वेश्चन किए हैं सारे रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको दिखा नहीं होगा जितने मैंने अब तक पेपर किए हैं कि भी क्वेश्चन ना आया वो. नेक्स्ट 139. प्रबोध कुमार दास वर्सेस दंतमारा टी कंपनी केस रिलेटेड विद doctrine of part performance. C is the answer. Section 53A. Next 140. How many witnesses are required for testing an instrument under TPA? Only 2. D is the answer. Next 141. Whether partition of property can be called as transfer of property? No, it cannot. Next 142. Section 14 of TPA deals with rule against perpetuity. A is the answer. Doctrine of election 35 में है. Doctrine of apportionment 36 में है. Transfer for the benefit of unborn person, that is section 13. Next 143. In which section of TPA the provision regarding rights and liabilities of lessor and lessee are provided? That is 108. B is the answer. Next 144. A transfer his property to B for life and thereafter to his unborn son for life. In this case, transfer property to the unborn son is void. D is the answer. This is rule against perpetuity. Next 145. Which one of the following is not an essential element of mortgage as defined under section 58A? There must be transfer of interest. There must be a promise. Interest must be of some specific immovable property. The purpose of transfer must to ensure payment of debt. तो promise की जरूरत नहीं है. B is the answer. All these are essentials. Next 146. A transfer his property to B by mortgage with the condition that for 10 years B will take the mortgage property from the income of the property and thereafter A shall redeem the property by making the payment of remaining amount. This is an anomalous mortgage. B is the answer because it includes usufructuary and simple mortgage. So mix of any two mortgages is called as anomalous, provided in section 58G. इंग्लिश मॉडगेज बताया अभी 58E में है, सिंपल B में है, कंडीशनल सेल C में है. Next 62. Where decree provides for a future decree, it is not actionable claim. It was decided in which of the following? It was decided in Jugal Kishore Saraf versus Raw Cotton Company Limited. B is the answer. Next 63. Which one of the following is not related to transfer of property? Gift is there, exchange is there, partition is not there, lease is there. So C is the answer. Next 64. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Contingent interest is in section 21. Direction of accumulation, that is 17. Fulfillment of condition subsequent, that is 29. And what is 30? Prior disposition. So priority rights created by transfer, section 48. So answer is not correct. C. Next 65. Generally, a lease of immovable property for agricultural purpose shall be a lease from year to year. A is the answer. And where it is mentioned, it is mentioned in section 106 of TPA. Next 66. Which of the following sections deals with accession to mortgage property? That is section 63 and 70 both. C is the answer. Next 67. A gift comprises both existing and future property, is valid for the existing and void for the future. D is the answer. Next 68, doctrine of holding out shall not be applied. Where? During dependence, yes. Section 47, Registration Act, yes. Without consideration, yes. All of the above, D is the answer. Next 69, a lease can be made for a certain period for a perpetuity. For both A and B, D is the answer. Next 70, which of the following gift is not governed by TPA? That is mortis causa gift. B is the answer. Onerous gift is in 127, universal doni. That is provided in 128. Next is 71, how many exceptions are mentioned in section 6 of TPA? How many exceptions are there? 10. C is the answer. Next 72, which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? So A is immovable property in section 3. So not 2. This is not correctly matched. A is the answer. Charges in 100, marshalling in subsequent purchase of 56, mortgage debt 134. A would be the answer. Next 73, under which of the following section of TPA provision regarding English mortgage is found? E for English. C is the answer. B is simple mortgage, C is conditional sale, and A is definition of mortgage. 58, D is for usufructuary mortgage, and कौन सा रह गया? Mortgage by deposit of title deed, that is in F. Next 74, which of the following is a case involving section 41 TPA? That is Suraj Ratan Thirani versus Thidani tha Azam Tea Company. A is the answer. Next 75, which of the following case decided by the Privy Council as to fraudulent transfer? That is Mushahar Sahu versus Hakim Lal. A is the answer. Next 76, which one of the following case is the latest case on section 6 TPA? That is Kochuni Kunju Pillai. D is the answer. So it means they are asking the chronological order और उसमें आपको सबसे लेटेस्ट वाला बताना है, तो ये पता होनी चाहिए. बताओ, इतना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है ये. कई ऐसे सरप्राइज क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उनको छोड़ दो तो बेटर है. Next 77, which of the following is correct in respect of a gift under TPA? There cannot be a gift of movable property. Only immovable property can be gift. No, gift must be accepted by donor. No, it is not required because it is mentioned only. So donee or on his behalf some other person can accept the gift. This is wrong in that way. Then if donee dies before acceptance, the gift is void. It is correct. D is the answer. Section 122 talks about gift and all this. Next 78, where possession of mortgage property is not delivered to the mortgagee, it is called as simple mortgage. A is the answer. Again 58, A, E, D, C. Next 79, which of the following section of TPA provides for subrogation? That is section 92. B is the answer. यहाँ से हो गया TPA start. Question number 172, which of the following section of Transfer Property Act provides that mere right to sue cannot be transferred? Section 6 में है what may be transferred. 5 में transfer property की definition है. Section 7 क्या है? Person competent to transfer. Next is 173, which of the following are actionable claim? A share in partnership, yes. Decree, no. Arrears of rent, yes. Right to get damage, breach of contract, no. So 1 and 3 would be the answer. So D is the answer. Next is 174. The test to divide whether something attached to earth has to be regarded as immovable property or not depends on any one of the following. Degree or mode of annexation, yes. Place of annexation, no. Place doesn't matter. The object of annexation, भाई क्या attach कर रखा है और कितनी डिग्री तक attach है वो. So D would be the answer. A and C both. Next is 175. A transfer of property to B in trust for C directs B to give possession of the property to C when he attains the age of 25. This interest is called vested interest. B is the answer. And where is vested interest? Section 19. Next question number 176. If a property is transferred with the condition that interest created therein for the benefit of transferee shall cease on his becoming insolvent, such a condition is void. Under which of the following section TPA? It is section 12, making interest determinable on insolvency. 10 में क्या है, इसमें कंडीशन ही है, कंडीशन रेस्ट्रेनिंग, एलियनेशन। 11 में क्या है, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रिपग्नेंट टू इंटरेस्ट क्रिएटेड, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है इसमें भी, रिपग्नेंट टू इंटरेस्ट क्रिएटेड। एंड 13 में क्या है, ट्रांसफर फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ अनबोर्न। Next, 177. A gives a field to B reserving to himself. B is assigned the right to take back the field in case B and his descendants die before A. B dies without descendants in A's lifetime. Can A take back the field? Yes, he can. Alright, A is the answer. Next is 178. Every transfer of immovable property made with intent to delay or defeat the creditors of the transferor shall be voidable at the option of such creditor. A is the answer. Same question was asked in 2015. Next is 179. In the light of provision of TP Act, a minor can transfer property. No, cannot transfer property. ठीक है. Can accept transfer property in his favor. Yes. D is the answer. Both B and C. Next, 180. Redemption is the heart of mortgage was observed by Lord Halsbury. C is the answer. Next, 181. In which of the following section TP Act transfer by ostensible owner is provided? It is provided in section 41. B is the answer. 39 में क्या है? 39 में है transfer when third party entitled for maintenance. 40 में क्या है? Burden of obligation on use of land. Burden of obligation on use of land. 42 में क्या है? Transfer by person having authority to revoke former transfer. Alright, B is the answer. Next, 182. In which of the following sections transfer in favor of unborn can be made? ये अभी डिस्कस किया हमने, सेक्शन 13. A is the answer. अभी 12 भी डिस्कस किया है, कंडीशन इन मेकिंग इंटरेस्ट डिटर्मिनेबल ऑन इंसॉल्वेंसी. 14 अगेन, रूल अगेंस्ट परपेचुटी. 15 में क्या है, transfer to class sum of whom under section 2 class sum of whom 13 and 14. All right. Next is 183. Which one of the following section of TP Act provides that when there is a conflict between marshalling and contribution, marshalling shall prevail? It is section 82. C is the answer. 82 में क्या लिखा हुआ है, contribution to mortgage debt. 81 में क्या है, marshalling securities. 80 is deleted. 83 क्या है, power to deposit money in court. Next is 184. Muhammad Afzal versus Ghulam Qasim is leading case on which of the following? It is on doctrine of election. C is the answer. Election कहाँ पर है, 35 में. Next is 185. In case of transfer property for the benefit of the public, which of the following restrictions shall not apply? परपेचुटी अप्लाई नहीं होगी, ट्रांसफर टू टेक इफेक्ट ऑन फेलियर ऑफ प्रायर इंटरेस्ट अप्लाई नहीं होगा, डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्यूमुलेशन अप्लाई नहीं होगा, तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 186. अब पूछा है नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. यूनिवर्सल डॉक्यूमेंट 28 यस. काइंड ऑफ पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस 53. मार्शलिंग में सब्सिक्वेंट परचेज है 65. ये है 56 में. 65 में क्या है, इम्प्लाइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बाय मॉर्टगेजर और मॉर्गेज राइट ऑफ फोरक्लोजर सेल 67 में है. तो इसमें आंसर क्या है, वो गलत कौन सा है, सी, ओनली सी. सी इज द आंसर. 187. द फॉलोइंग रीडिंग केस आर रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब्जेक्ट्स? गोपाल, पुरुषोत्तम, स्टैनले वाडिये हैं मॉर्गेज से रिलेटेड, सो सी इज द आंसर.
(161) Contingent interest in the property becomes a vested interest on the happening of an uncertain event, or the happening of an event becomes impossible. या तो uncertain हो और impossible. 162. Section 12 of TPA is not applicable where the transfer is by the way of lease. Okay, applicable only by the way of sale or exchange or a gift, not by the lease. Next is 163. Which one of the following section of TPA deals with the direction for accumulation? Section 17.
Next is question 164.
Transfer of ownership of immovable property in exchange for a price paid or promised or partially promised is called what? is called sale. Section 54. 165. Section 56 of TPA deals with what? Section 56 of a TPA deals with, right answer is option A, marshalling by subsequent purchaser. Question number 166. If the donee dies before acceptance of a gift, the gift is what? The gift is void. 122 section.
Next is 167.
Chapter 7 of TPA does not apply to transfers of property under Christian law, Parsi law, Mohammedan law, or Hindu law. Under Mohammedan law. Section number 129 of TPA. And question number 168. Which one of the following is not a ground for determination of a lease? Is not a ground. Refuse of the time limited, implied surrender, expiration of notice of determination of lease, or death of the lessee. Right answer is death of the lessee. 169. Which one of the following is not an essential condition for the application of the rule of less pendants under section 52 of TPA? Not an essential condition. What is not an essential condition? Options देख लेते हैं. Pendency of a suit or proceeding, pendency in a competent court, suit must be collusive, or alienation must affect the rights of the other party. Then the right answer is no, which is not an essential condition, is option D. Alienation must affect the rights of other party. Now next question.
Next is 170.
Find out the incorrect answer from the following. Gift is the transfer of ownership without consideration. Yes, 122. Gift should be accepted during the lifetime of the owner. If the donee dies before acceptance, the gift is void. The gift may be made only of movable property. Incorrect is option D. Gift can be made of either kind of property, movable or immovable.
Next is 171.
TPA came into force on 1st July 1882. Question 172. According to section 5 of TPA, the term living person includes whom? A human being only important company or associations of or body of individuals, or none of the above. Living person includes company or association or body of individuals also. Next question. Which one of the following condition is invalid according to section 10 of TPA? A condition not to sell outside the family, condition not to sell during the lifetime of the transferor, not to sell to a person of different religion, restraining subletting of leased property. Right answer is option B. A condition not to sell during the lifetime of the transferor. Okay. Question 174. Which one of the following is not an essential condition of section 43 of TPA? The representation must necessarily be fraudulent. Transferor makes a representation that he is competent to transfer. Transfer is of immovable property. Transfer is for consideration. The right answer is first. Representation must necessarily be fraudulent. Next question. Once a mortgage, always a mortgage means mortgager has no right to assign right of redemption to any person. Mortgagee has no right to assign the mortgagee debt to any other person. Mortgage cannot be redeemed after the expiry of the fixed period, or option D. Mortgage is always redeemable. His right answer is D. Always redeemable. 176. Section 122 of TPA deals with which of the following kind of gifts? Namely, gift inter vivos, moritis causa, gift by will, or all of the above. The right answer is A. Gift inter vivos. Question 177. Which one of the following section provides the statutory duties of mortgage in possession? 77, 78, 79, or 76? The right answer is section 76. Statutory duties of a mortgage in possession. And what does section 77 tells? It is receipts in lieu of interest. Okay. And 78 is postponement of prior mortgage. And 79 is mortgage to secure uncertain amount. Next question. The provisions relating to onerous gift have been provided under TPA in which section? Onerous gifts is provided in section number 127, option A. And 125 is gift to several. And what does 124 say? Is gift to existing and future. And 126, when gift may be suspended. Now next question.
179.
The Transfer of Property Amendment Act 2003 has amended which one of the following sections of Transfer of Property 1882? Section 107, 106, 108 or 100. Amended which section? It has amended section 106. What was the amendment? The amendment was related to duration of the lease. Next question, question 180. The transferee of an actionable claim shall take it subject to all the liabilities and equities and to which the transferor was the subject in respect thereof. At the date of the transfer, before the date of transfer, after 15 days of the date of the transfer, or before 15 days of the date of the transfer. Right answer is option number A, at the date of the transfer. Section 132. 181. Section 52 of Transfer of Property Act does not apply to pre-existing rights. And rest of them it applies.
Question number 135. Which of the following law commission made a draft of TPA? It was drafted by third law commission. So C is the answer. Next is 136. Which one of the following is not a immovable property? Surface of land movable है, river on surface land, yes, river immovable है. Standing timber, C is the answer. तीन टेस्ट हुआ था, all immovable. Standing timber क्या है, आपको काट के ले जा सकते हैं, तो that is movable property. सेक्शन 3 की जो इंटरप्रिटेशंस हैं उसमें लिखा हुआ है इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी में लिखा हुआ है डज नॉट इंक्लूड स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर, ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स और ग्रास. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 137. सेक्शन 19 ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड टू वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट. ए इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 138. सेक्शन 10 प्रोवाइड्स फॉर कंडीशन रेस्ट्रेनिंग एलियनेशन. सी इज द आंसर. ऑर्डर ट्रांसफर कहाँ पर है? सेक्शन 9 में. रिस्ट्रिक्शन रिपग्नेंट टू इंटरेस्ट क्रिएटेड, दिस इज इन सेक्शन 11. देखिए 9, 10, 11 बहुत ही क्लोज ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट 139. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग provision of transfer of property provides that person taking the benefit of instrument must also bear the burden? Section 35. A is the answer. And same question was asked in 2018 doctrine of election. Next 140. Which one of the following case decided by the Privy Council is related to fraudulent transfer? The case was Mushahar Sahu versus Hakim Lal. A is the answer. Next 141. In which of the following cases a lease of immovable property does not determine? बाय फॉरफीचर हो जाएगी, वो सरेंडर हो जाएगी, बाय फ्लेक्स ऑफ टाइम हो जाएगा, बट ऑन सर्विस ऑफ नोटिस टू क्विट नहीं होगा. हमें सिर्फ सर्विस नोटिस दिया ना कि भाई हाँ आप जो है खाली करो, उससे क्या वो डिटरमाइन हो गई? लीज नो. ए इज द आंसर. और डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ लीज कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 111 ऑफ टीपीए. नेक्स्ट 142. whom the following is recognized as actionable claims? Future decree, no. Claim of mean profits, no. Copyright of a book, no. Arrears of rent, yes. And कहाँ पर mention है interpretation section 3 में. Next 143. A let the farm to be on condition that he shall walk 100 miles in an hour. The lease is void. It is mentioned in section 25 Impossible Act. Condition is void. Section 25. And ये है illustration A. Next question number 144. Which one of the following may be transferred? An easement can transfer, no. May right to entry, no. Right to future maintenance, no. Assignment or decree for mean profit. C is the answer. ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया? ये किया गया मेंशन सेक्शन 6 में. ईजमेंट है सेक्शन 6 की क्लॉज C में. मे राइट टू री एंट्री है क्लॉज B में. फ्यूचर मेंटेनेंस है डबल D में. C is the answer. Next 145. In which provision of TPA it is provided that rule against perpetuity does not apply when the transfer is for the benefit of public? It is mentioned in section 17, section 18. B is the answer. 17 में क्या है? डायरेक्शंस हैं किसके लिए? एक्यूमुलेशन के लिए. 19 में आ गया वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट, अभी किया है हमने, ठीक है. 20 में क्या है? व्हेन अनबोर्न acquire vested interest. B is the answer. Next is 146. A transfer a house having market value of 10,000 without consideration to B, but the house is under liability to pay public charges of 15,000. A transfer is onerous gift. And where is onerous gift is mentioned? It is mentioned in section 127. B is the answer. Next is 147. Under section 104, on whom the power of making rules is conferred? ये है हाई कोर्ट के पास. D is the answer. Next is question number 148. A owes money to B who transferred that to C. B then demands that from A who not having received money of the transfer. As prescribed in section 131 TPA, pays B, the payment is valid. C cannot sue A for debt. और ये है सेक्शन 132 में लिखा हुआ, इलस्ट्रेशन है A. Alright. Similar question was asked in 2016. Next is 149. Whom the following person may not redeem the mortgage property? Any person having interest in the property, surety for the payment, any creditor of the mortgage, counsel pleading the case against mortgage. तो counsel नहीं कर सकता. D is the answer. Next is 150. Marshalling by subsequent purchaser is provided under section 56. B is the answer. 58 में क्या है? Mortgage की definitions. Provision by court for encumbrances and sale freed their form. ये provision by court है. And 55 में क्या है? Rights and liabilities of buyer and seller. Next is question number 151. Every transfer of immovable property made with intent to delay or defeat shall be void. A is the answer. Next is 152. For determination of lease from year to year under section 106 Transfer Property Act, the notice period is 6 months. B is the answer. Next is 153. A gives 1 lakh rupee to B, reserving to himself B's assent the right to take back at pleasure rupees 10,000 out of 1 lakh. The gift is holds goods as to rupees 90,000. It is mentioned in section 126 and ये है illustration B. Alright. Next is 154. Doctrine of Clogg. The equity of redemption is a rule of justice, equity in good conscience. This was affirmed by the Supreme Court in Morilal versus Dev Karan. B is the answer. Next is 155. A let farm to B for life of C. C dies but B continues in possession. With A's consent, B's lease is renewed from year to year. B is the answer. Next is 156. What is the minimum number of witnesses for presence and signature in relation to attestation of an instrument? At least 2. B is the answer. Interpretation की जो section 3 है वहाँ पर ये दिया हुआ है attested की definition में. Next is 157. Which of the following is not correctly matched? तो not correctly matched है, इसको हम highlight कर लेंगे. Universal Doni 128 है. Total part performance 53A है. Marshalling अभी हमने किया है subsequent purchaser. It is mentioned in section 56. Mortgage is right to foreclosure 67. Yes. तो आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. जस्ट अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 150 में इसको डिस्कस किया है, वहाँ पर ये पूछा हुआ है और देखिए दोबारा पूछ लिया. अगर आपको एक भी आता है तो आप इसको इजीली 2 क्वेश्चन आराम से कर सकते हैं. 2 नंबर बन गए आपके यहाँ पर. Question number 185. A makes a gift in favor of his son with the condition that if any one of them dies leaving no male issue, his share will be taken by other surviving sons and not by the widow or daughter of the deceased son. The gift creates a vested interest, and vested interest is mentioned in section 19. B is the answer. Next is 186. Which of the following is not included within the term living person provided under TPA? Idle. So D is the answer. Section 5 mentions about that. Next is 187. A lease which is silent regarding duration, but if lessee takes possession, such lease is known as tenancy at will. B is the answer. What is tenancy at sufferance? After expiry, if tenant stays in there and do not pay any rent, tenancy at sufferance. Tenancy at perpetuity means tenancy for a unknown period. Next is 188. Which of the following is the right of the mortgagee and not of the mortgager? मोर्टगेज का राइट है तो कौन सा होगा? राइट टू फोरक्लोजर. मोर्टगेज का कौन सा होता है? रिडेम्पशन का. मेंशन इन सेक्शन 67. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज 189. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ साइप्रस इन द लॉ ऑफ ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स एज फार एज पॉसिबल अप्रोक्सीमेटली नियर टू. बोथ ए एंड बी. सी इज द आंसर. Next is 190. Which one of the following relationship does not come within the category of undue influence affecting transfer of property, namely relationship of customer and shopkeeper? B is the answer. Next question number 191. Under TPA, the term attested means attested by 2 or more witnesses. C is the answer. Mentioned in section 3. Next is 192. A makes a gift to B, C and D. B and C accept while D refuses to do so. Position of gift is that whole gift is void. No gift is valid and part of the gift made to D will be shared by B and C. No, it is void only to third interest which D would have taken had he accepted the gift. जो शेयर बी और सी को दिया गया गिफ्ट में वो वैलिड रहेगा. डी वाला जो है वो रिवर्ट बैक कर जाएगा ए को. सी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 193. ए द लेसर गिव्स बी द लेसी नोटिस टू क्विट द प्रॉपर्टी लीज्ड Notice expires, B remains in possession. A gives to B second notice to quit the possession. Decide the validity of first notice. First notice is waived. A is the answer. Next, 194. Under TPA, the term registration means registration of property, documents, parties, witnesses. Registration of documents. B is the answer. Next, 195. Principle embodied in section 43 TPA is feeding the grant of estoppel. C is the answer. Next, 196. The right of redemption can be extinguished by act of party decree of the court transferring the right of outsider technicalities of fact. It is only by act of the parties and decree of court. A is the answer. 197. Remedy of foreclosure is available in which of the following mortgages, namely in usufructuary mortgage, mortgage by conditional sale, simple mortgage, English mortgage. It is B, mortgage by conditional sale, mentioned in section 67. B is the answer. Next is 198. A let a field to B at a rent 500, then transfer the field to C. B, having no notice of the transfer, B in good faith pays the rent to A here. B is not chargeable with the rent to C. B chargeable with rent. Correct rent is divisible between A and C. तो B is not chargeable with the rent to C. उसने गुड फेथ में पे किया है, उसको नोटिस नहीं था, तो आंसर रहेगा इसका A. Next is 199. Under which section TPA the doctrine of consolidation has been incorporated? It is in section 61. D is the answer. Next is 200. Refusal to pay rent to the lessor with the word that you are not my landlord. It amounts to disclaimer that lease can be forfeited. The word avoid will result in automatic termination of lease. Will entitle the lessor for claim and compensation. It amounts to disclaimer and lease can be forfeited. Section 50 talks about that. ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट 54 कहता है एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ ट्रांसफर इज अटेस्टेड वैलिडली वेयर. अब अटेस्टेड की डेफिनेशन कहाँ दी गई है? ये दी गई है सेक्शन 3 में ही. एग्जीक्यूटिव हैज साइंड द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ हिज फैमिली मेंबर. पर्सन हैज साइंड एज विटनेस टू द फैक्ट राइटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन हिज प्रेजेंस. वन पर्सन हैज सीन एग्जीक्यूटिव साइनिंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट पुट हिज ओन सिग्नेचर एज विटनेस. डी है इंस्ट्रूमेंट साइन बाय टू विटनेस हु हैव सीन एग्जीक्यूटिव साइनिंग द सेम एंड हु साइन इन लेटेस्ट प्रेजेंस. का आंसर क्या रहेगा? डी. सेक्शन 3 में ही लिखा हुआ है टेस्टेड की डेफिनेशन में. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 55. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी इन टीपीए? डेट सिक्योर्ड बाय मॉर्टगेज ऑफ एन इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. राइट टू वर्शिप इन अ स्पेसिफिक टेम्पल. ये इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी कैसे हो सकती है? राइट टू वर्शिप. लेक तो है. राइट टू कैच फिशरी इन अ पॉन्ड, दैट इज इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. बी इज द आंसर. इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी की डेफिनेशन कहाँ पर दी गई है? ये भी दी गई है सेक्शन 3 में. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन वही है. नेक्स्ट इज 56. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एक्शनेबल क्लेम? एक्शनेबल क्लेम की डेफिनेशन भी कहाँ दी गई है? सेक्शन 3 में. सारी डेफिनेशन से पूछे हुए हैं क्वेश्चन से. पूछा है नॉट एन एक्शनेबल क्लेम. द डेट हैविंग पास इनटू अ डिक्री बाय द कोर्ट ए क्लेम ऑफ अरियर रेंट ऑफ इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. जो क्लेम है अरियर ऑफ रेंट इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी के, दैट इज एक्शनेबल क्लेम. नॉट पूछा है तो इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? ए. A is the answer. Next is 57. Under TPA, the expression transfer of property includes partition, surrender, family arrangement. None of these. Transfer of property की definition कहाँ दी गई? दिया हुआ है section 5 of TPA में. वहाँ तीनों में mention नहीं है. Next is 58. Under TPA, which of the following is not recognized as valid consideration of transfer of property? It is natural love and affection. A is the answer. Next is 59. The rule entitling a subsequent mortgagee to compel prior mortgagee of two properties to satisfy the later's mortgagee's debt out of property not mortgaged to the former is called as rule of marshalling. And ये कहाँ पर mention किया गया? ये mention किया गया है section 81 में. Next is question number 60. Transfer of property. A charge is created by operation of law. Exist on immutable property only. Exist on immutable property only. B is the answer. Charge कहाँ पर mention किया गया है? Section 100 में. Next is 61. Lease is determined by merger, forfeiture, surrender. All of these and same question पूछा गया था 2019 में भी. Section कौन सा है इसका? 111. Determination of lease. Next is 62. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Direction of accumulation 17 में है yes. Transfer by co-owner yes. Mortgages power to lease 65 A में है yes. Exchange of money it is mentioned in 118. 120 में क्या है? Rights and liabilities of parties in exchange. So इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? D. Next question number 63. Which transfer requires attestation of the written instrument by two witnesses mandatorily? ये है gift. ये mention किया गया है 123 में. C is the answer. Next is 64. A gift is statutorily not complete unless it is accepted by the donee. Such acceptance needs to be made during donor's lifetime while donor is still capable of giving. Yes. This is also mentioned in 122. D is the answer. Next is 65. Which of the following gift is valid under TPA? Gift to minor, future property accepted after donor's death, motivated by post illicit cohabitation. Gift to minor is valid. Minor आप gift कर सकते हो, but minor cannot give. So A is the answer. Next is 66. A lease to minor is void. B is the answer. Because lease के लिए भी आपको agreement करना पड़ेगा. Minor is not competent to enter into an agreement. Section 11 Contract Act. B is the answer. Next is 67. Under the TPA, living person connotes human being, limited company, partnership, firm only. All of these. D is the answer. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? ये मेंशन किया है सेक्शन 5 में ही. Next is 68. Mortgage right of redemption is coextensive with mortgage right to inspection, production of document, foreclosure, redeem separately. ये mortgagee's right of foreclosure और sale. ठीक है, बिकॉज मॉर्गेज के रिडेम्पशन का राइट है तो फिर मॉर्गेजी को मिलेगा ना फोरक्लोजर का. तो बी इज द आंसर. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? तो मॉर्गेजर का राइट रिडेम्पशन कहाँ पर है? 60 में. और मॉर्गेजी का फोरक्लोजर कहाँ पर है? 67 में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मे फॉल अंडर एनॉमलस मॉर्गेज? ओनली मॉर्गेज यूसुफ्रक्चरी बाय कंडीशनल सेल, ओनली सिंपल यूसुफ्रक्चरी मॉर्गेज, बोथ ए एंड बी. देखिए दो मॉर्गेज है ना यहाँ मिक्सचर. यूसुफ्रक्चरी भी कंडीशनल भी है, सिंपल भी, यूसुफ्रक्चरी भी है, दोनों हो गए ना. तो एनी मिक्सचर of one or more mortgages is anomalous mortgage. So both A and B would be the answer. Next is 70. Lease of a house for a term exceeding 1 year can be made by registered instrument only. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? 107 में. Next is 71. The rule against perpetuity has its origin in case of Cadell versus Palmer. B is the answer. Next is 72. A man is not allowed to approbate and reprobate at the same time. This rule provides basis of the doctrine of the following: doctrine of feeding the grant of estoppel, performance, election, rule of redeeming up. आंसर रहेगा doctrine of election. C is the answer. Election कहाँ पर है? TPA में 35 में. Next is 73. The principle of estoppel enunciated in section 115 finds its expression in these section. वही ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट कहाँ पर दिया गया है? 41 एंड 43 में. सो बी इज दी आंसर. बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है ये. इस पेपर में ना स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बहुत कर रखी हैं. देखिए नेक्स्ट इज 74. केस ऑफ राजकुमार कुंडू वर्सेस मैक्वीन. अब ये पता है कि राम कुमार है, ये भी स्पेलिंग भी अलग है इसमें. कुमार कुंडू वर्सेस जॉन एंड मारिया मैक्वीन, ये नाम है इसका. देखिए यहाँ पर राजकुमार कुंडू कर दिया, माँ क्वीन कर दिया, कुछ भी करते रहते हैं लोग. तो ये ऑस्टेंसिबल ऑनर पे. डी इज द आंसर. सेक्शन कौन सा ऑस्टेंसिबल ऑनर का? 41. नेक्स्ट इज 75. रेमेडी फॉर फोरक्लोजर इज अवेलेबल इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मॉर्टगेजेस अंडर ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी. ये है मॉर्टगेज बाय कंडीशनल सेल में, और ये कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है? 67 में. एनॉमलस में भी मिल जाएगी प्लस में, लेकिन कंडीशन है वो एंटाइटल करती हो लेसी को फॉर फोरक्लोजर. ठीक है ना. तो लेसी शुड बी एंटाइटल टू फोरक्लोज प्लस एनॉमलस हो, तब जो है एनॉमलस में अलाउ कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज सिर्फ कंडीशनल सेल में रेमेडी फॉर फोरक्लोजर रहेगी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज 76. When unborn person require vested interest on transfer of his benefit under TPA upon his birth. जैसे ही बर्थ लिया वैसे ही उसने वो अपना इंटरेस्ट एक्वायर कर लिया. सेक्शन कौन सा है? 20. नेक्स्ट इज 77. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 3 TPA इंस्ट्रूमेंट मीन्स a non-testamentary instrument. B is the answer. Next is 78. Under the TPA, sale is transfer of ownership. So C is the answer. And sale कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 54 में. Question number 51. Exchange under transfer of property is equal to none of these, because these all are different from exchange. And exchange is defined in section 118 of Transfer of Property Act. Next is 52. In case of gift, if donor dies before acceptance of gift, the gift will be void. B is the answer, and it is mentioned where? It is mentioned in section 122 of Transfer of Property Act, because it is written there, the acceptance of gift must be made during the lifetime of the donor. If donor dies, then gift is void, and even if donor dies before acceptance, gift is again void. Next is 53. Which is the meaning of section 100? A charge requires attestation and proves in the same way as mortgage, does not prove as mortgage, does not require to be attested, and proves in the same way as mortgage, does not prove as mortgage. The answer is does not require to be attested and proves in the same way as mortgage. C is the answer. Next is 54. In which of the following cases which lease of immovable property can be made only by a registered instrument? So, year to year, yes. Term exceeding 1 year, yes. Reserving a yearly rent, yes. D is the answer. And ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? Lease how made section 107 same TPA. Some people call it TOPA. I call it TPA, Transfer of Property Act. Next is 55. The provision regarding transfer of actionable claim are mentioned under Transfer of Property Act in section 130. A is the answer, and where is actionable claim is defined in section 3. Next is 56. In which of the following cases it was held as surrender by tenant is not transferred. So the case was Makhanlal Saha versus Anand Adhikari. B is the answer. Next is 57. A makes an absolute gift of a house to B with direction that B shall reside in it. The gift is not valid, direction is void. Valid, direction is also valid. Valid but direction is void. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? Is valid but direction is void. Conditions जो है ना वो void हो जाएंगी, जो भी conditions होंगी. C is the answer. Next question 58. Double possibility rule was laid down in which of the following cases? It was laid down in Whitby versus Mitchell. So A is the answer. Next question number 59. Doctrine of exoneration was given under which section of TPA? It is mentioned in section 27. So C is the answer. Next is 60. The provision regarding appointment by time is given under which of the following section of TP Act? Apportionment of time is mentioned in section 36. B is the answer. Next is 61. A owner of immovable property and a TPA may make valid transfer of property. So A is the answer. और ये कहाँ पर mention किया गया है? It is mentioned in section 44 of TPA. Alright. Next is 62. Right of redemption can be exercised only by paying the mortgage money, if depositing the mortgage money in court, regular suit, all of these. Answer is all of these. And where is right to redemption is mentioned? The right of mortgagor to redeem is mentioned in section 60. Next is question number 63. He who seeks equity must do equity is the juristic basis of which one of the following section? Yeah, section 51. C is the answer. Next is 64. The case of Arif versus Yadunath is rated which of the following? Rated with part performance. C is the answer. And where part performance is mentioned? It is mentioned in 53A, and fraudulent transfer is mentioned in 53. Apportionment we have just discussed in 36. Next is 65. How many types of mortgages are given? There are 6. Answer is B. Next is 66. Once a mortgage, always a mortgage was laid down in which of the following cases? It was mentioned in Knox and Co versus Rice. So A is the answer. Next is 67. A lease can be determined by a flex of time, forfeiture, implied surrender, all of these. And ये section कौन सा है? 111. Next is 74. The principle of feeding the grant by estoppel is given in which of the following section of TP Act? So TP, it is mentioned in section 43. So C is the answer. 193. The principle of section 17 is based on which of the following cases? Grijesh, Chamaru Sahu, Theluson. Answer is Theluson versus Woodford. C is the answer. 194. A transfer property to B in trust of C directs B to give possession of the property to C when it attains age of 25. C क्या हो गया इसका? Vested interest. B is the answer. और वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट की बात कहाँ पर करी गई है? ये की गई है आपके सेक्शन 19 में. ऑल राइट. ऐसी क्वेश्चन 95. द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लीज पेंडेंस इज टू only maintaining the status quo, further litigation, restraining creation of new fact during litigation. All of these. Answer is all of these. Lease pendant doctrine कहाँ पर दी गई? सेक्शन 52 TPA. आंसर रहेगा D. Next 196. Which on the following is not a constructive notice? Gross negligence, actual possession, registration, definite knowledge. Definite knowledge नहीं है because देखा ना, कंस्ट्रक्टिव. डेफिनेट नॉलेज का मतलब नोटिस है उसको. व्हाट इज कंस्ट्रक्टिव नोटिस? की होना चाहिए वाली बात है तो इन तीनों में रहेगी. डेफिनेट में तो नहीं आएगा. फिर वो ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है बहुत. ये डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 197. ए लेसी इज नॉट एंटाइटल्ड टू राइट ऑफ मार्शलिंग अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन? सेक्शन कौन सा है ये? 56. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 198. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन प्रोवाइड्स स्टैट्यूटरी ड्यूटीज ऑफ अ मॉर्टगेजी इन पोजेशन अंडर TPA? It is section 76. B is the answer. Next 199. Whom the following cannot sell, purchase an actionable claim? Only judge, legal practitioner, judicial officer. All of these they cannot purchase. D is the answer. We have start हो गया TPA. Question number 86. Direction for accumulation of income from transfer property is valid till लाइफ ऑफ ट्रांसफरी 18 ईयर फ्रॉम डेट ऑफ ट्रांसफर, 20 ईयर फ्रॉम डेट ऑफ ट्रांसफर। तो ये है लाइफ ऑफ ट्रांसफरर एंड 18 ईयर्स। इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा 1 and 3। सो बी इज द आंसर। ये कहाँ प्रोवाइडेड किया गया, ये प्रोवाइडेड है सेक्शन 17 ऑफ TPA में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, इफ द डोनी डाइज बिफोर एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ गिफ्ट इज वॉइड, मेंशन इन सेक्शन 122। Next is 88. Which of the following instruments have been excluded by application of section 137 of TPA? देखिए शेयर्स तो वहाँ पर्टिकुलरली मेंशन किया गया है और वहाँ पर लिखा गया है एनी नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट। तो बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, तो इट इज एप्लीकेबल ऑन बोथ ऑफ देम, तो बोथ आर एक्सक्लूडेड। सी इज द आंसर, बोथ A and B। नेक्स्ट इज 89. Under Transfer Property Act, vested interest is defeated by the death of transferor, defeated by the death of transferee। देखिए सेक्शन जो 19 है वो कहता है कि a vested interest is not defeated by the death of the transferee before he obtains possession। अगर ट्रांसफरी की डेथ हो गई इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जो वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट था वो खत्म हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर ये तो हो गया गलत, ठीक है। अब देखिए लिखा हो डिफीटेड बाय द डेथ ऑफ ट्रांसफर, जिसने वेस्ट कर दिया इंटरेस्ट किसी ट्रांसफरी को, तो क्या जब इसकी डेथ हो गई तो क्या वो जो वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट है वो डिफीट हो जाएगा? नो। इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? नन ऑफ दीज, डी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 90, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इंक्लूडेड इन इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी। इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया? सेक्शन 3 इंटरप्रिटेशंस में। उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है कि ट्री, shrub, root इन अर्थ, दीज आर इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी एंड व्हाट इज नॉट इमूवेबल? ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, ग्रास एंड स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर, तो दीज आर मूवेबल। इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? ए। नेक्स्ट 91, ए लेट्स ए फार्म टू बी ऑन कंडीशन दैट ही शैल वॉक 100 माइल इन एन आवर, लीज इज वॉइड। दिस इज सेक्शन 25 एंड इट इज ऑल्सो रिपीट क्वेश्चन। दिस इज ऑल्सो रिपीट क्वेश्चन। ये मेंशन किया गया है इलस्ट्रेशन ए ऑफ 25 में। नेक्स्ट 92, अंडर सेक्शन 3 TPA द इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी डज नॉट इंक्लूड। देखिए 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए ना यहाँ से इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी से ही, ऑलराइट। देखिए स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर नहीं आता उसमें, ओके। लैंड आता है, बिल्डिंग आता है, मशीनरी परमानेंटली अटैच्ड वर्ड जो है इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी होती है, तो स्टैंडिंग टिम्बर इज द आंसर, ए इज द आंसर। अगर आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक आंसर करेंगे तो दूसरा अपने आप से आंसर हो जाएगा, ओके। दिस इज ऑल्सो रिपीट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट 93, सेक्शन 52 ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी डील्स विद लीज पेंडेंट्स, बी इज द आंसर। फ्लूएंट ट्रांसफर कहाँ पर है? ये है 53 में। पार्ट परफॉर्मेंस 53A में। ऑब्स्टेंसिबल ऑनर सेक्शन 41 में, बी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज 94, द ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट 1882 केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 1 जुलाई 1882। सिंपल क्वेश्चन, रिपीट क्वेश्चन। दिस इज ऑल्सो रिपीट क्वेश्चन। Next question number 95. Section 63 of TPA is related to accession to mortgage property. So C is the answer. Right of mortgage to redeem का है section 60 में. All right. Next 102. What property may not be transferred under section 6 of TPA? Stipend, right to future maintenance, past successionist. D, all of these. A is the answer mentioned in section 6. ये है G में. Right to future maintenance है D में. एंड ये स्पेस एसोसिएशन है क्लॉज ए में ऑफ सेक्शन 6। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 103, ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ अनबोर्न पर्सन मेड डायरेक्टली इज वॉइड। देखिए मेड डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते, किसी को देनी पड़ेगी पहले, मतलब थ्रू हो सकता है, अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट नहीं हो सकता। डायरेक्ट किया है तो वो वॉइड है, डायरेक्ट कैसे कर दोगे अनबोर्न पर्सन को? तो आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ पर्सन, अनबोर्न पर्सन। ये सेक्शन 13 में मेंशन किया गया है, तो उससे पहले एक प्रायर इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा बाय द सेम ट्रांसफ़र। वो जो इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट किया गया है वो जब बोर्न होगा तब उसके वो अनबोर्न को वो है जो ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा, फिर वहाँ पर सेक्शन 20 आ जाएगा TPA, तो बी इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 104, विच इज़ नॉट एन एक्शनेबल क्लेम। देखिए क्या एक्शनेबल क्लेम नहीं होता? तो मीन प्रॉफिट इज़ नॉट एन एक्शनेबल क्लेम बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट अ सर्टेन सम ऑफ मनी। देखिए अब जो ये राइट टू क्लेम इंश्योरेंस है मेंशन किया गया है एक्सेप्शन 2 सेक्शन 130 और इलस्ट्रेशन 2 में इसको मेंशन किया गया है, ठीक है। अगर ये इंश्योरेंस ऑफ फायर होता तो इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं होता। अब देखिए आगे क्या लिखा हुआ, सम ऑफ अरियर पेबल इन फ्यूचर, यस इट इज एक्शनेबल क्लेम। राइट टू टेक शेयर अकाउंट्स ऑफ डिसॉल्व फर्म, यस इट इज एन एक्शनेबल क्लेम। इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? ए। एक्शनेबल क्लेम की डेफिनेशन कहाँ पर दी हुई है? सेक्शन 3 इंटरप्रिटेशंस में। सो फ्रेंड्स ये थे ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट जो कि हमने पूरे डिस्कस कर लिए हैं फ्रॉम द ईयर 2002 टू 2022। अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई सजेशंस और कोई एडवाइस हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं। वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक। And friends, if you like the efforts, kindly give a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. Minimum starts with 20. Minimum is 20 rupees. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.